guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the exploding watermelon challenge with my little brothers, JoJo.
Hi guys.
And Kobe.
Hi.
So here we go, guys. Here, you can take one of those. You can take one of those.
It's hard to see with the glasses. You don't have to open
Well,
it.
first one eye.
There, guys.
What if it like smacks me in the face? Like,
Ah.
yeah.
I being
I'm kind of scared.
Me too. I can't put it on. Ow! You hold the watermelon tight. And just to get used to it.
I'm scared this thing's gonna explode in my face.
No,
Because I'm in the middle.
Most is going to roll down.
I'm about to see that it's about to explode. I'm pushing y'all out the way.
What about we fall?
We're all just gonna fall. Ooh, my goodness.
This is gonna be scary.
It is.
This side? I have to crack the melon. Got it.
Hey, making progress.
I got it. I got it.
So guys, they got on their personal protective equipment. They got these gargles over their face in case it explodes, and so they won't get hit in the face. And as we're doing is our windows wide open for our neighbors to see us.
Yeah.
Alright. We have all of these rubber bands. Oh, I dropped.
Like this?
I'm out of frame. What was that lady's name off the Powerpuff Girl that was so tall that you can never see her face?
Blossom?
No, like she was that tall.
Oh guys, this is going good so far. I hope it explodes soon. In case it doesn't explode.
It will, trust me. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna throw this watermelon at one of y'all.
Why? It's gonna be.
Okay, I'm gonna put some over here for you, Kobe. Just that one right here.
Okay.
In case this thing explodes as you're trying to reach over.
If it explodes, I'm running away.
It hits the camera.
It's gonna hit the camera. It's gonna be like. I hope it hits the camera. Okay,
I hope it lands on my bed. Or it lands in the trash can right there. It's like a ticket time bomb. It's like it can explode at any minute, but you don't know when. So it's kind of like playing with a jack-in-the-box, so you don't know when it's gonna pop up and scare you. So that's the scariest thing about this thing. So as soon as it looks like it's about to pop or something, I'm gonna get out the way.
Me too. I'm gonna stand here. You'll be like, I caught a watermelon.
I keep on pushing Kobe out the way.
Here, take this.
He gets mad and he puts it on. There we go, buddy.
That thing's not good enough.
Y'all can try.
Yeah, I'm getting.
So we've been at this for like 30 minutes now.
30?
Yes, about 30 minutes now. We did pause for a second, but we've been at this for like 30 minutes.
Stop. I'll be Kobe. Stop. Stop.
Hey, we're helping you out, dude.
I'm first.
Kobe, get over here. Don't knock the camera.
Get over here, boy. Hey, boy. You're making me plunge.
Hey, supposed to be in the video. Not making a video.
I am in the video.
Ouch! Pop. That hurt.
Act like your face exploded.
Come on, guys. This ain't no one-man team. Come on.
Okay, you keep getting all turns. I can't get none. When is this gonna explode?
I got hit in the face with a rubber band. This is dangerous. Guys, please pause the video and please subscribe and like and comment below. Cause I'm getting injured. I'm getting popped in the face. Got popped in the hand. Please like and subscribe, please. We might have to pause.
Here comes the way.
Yeah, we're gonna have to pause.
Okay.
So we gotta get the groceries out the car.
We're back, and my little brother is in the living room.
Dog dodo. Are you trying to chop it in half with a rubber band?
How can a rubber band chop a watermelon in half?
I don't know, but how you putting it on? It's probably gonna be possible.
I'm getting two red ones. Sounds right. I did two.
So while we was gone, I had to change the battery because the battery had been dead.
Real?
So we're like 50 minutes into the video.
50.
Yeah, we've been doing this for like 50 minutes.
I bet it's gonna be like 5 p.m.
But our neighbors are like, what in the world are they doing?
They ain't outside.
But still, the whole neighborhood can see us.
They're like, they make the watermelon.
What if there's in front of our window just watching us?
They're like, what are they doing? They're making the watermelon explode?
This is a tough watermelon.
You should got the light watermelons.
This was like one of the small ones.
Yeah. You might be small, but this watermelon is mighty. This might be small, but it's mighty. Check out.
I can't even do it.
Probably this watermelon been working out. Oh!
You broke your neck. He had a seizure.
Look, this guys, I heard it.
Yeah, when we stop putting rubber bands on, if you put your ear up to the watermelon, you can just hear it popping and bubbling and all the stuff.
Oh, I heard a rubber band.
1,000.
Please get this for 1,001. 1,001.
I don't know how many rubber bands there are on this thing now.
They probably like 200.
Probably more than that.
300. I know it's not 1,000.
It's more than 1,000 by now.
How you know? It's probably like.
Look at all these rubber bands we have. This is more.
1, 2, 3,
You cannot
4,
count all
5,
these rubber
6,
bands.
7, 8, 9. It didn't protect me. I didn't even feel it. Look how you did. It's like I'm falling out from like right there.
Yeah, it's starting to bulge in a little bit. Well, we've been saying that for like the last hour.
Dad! Where is it? Kansas, I don't know where it is.
You got a halo.
I don't know where's that. Get this all.
You look so sweet.
Where is it? I can't feel it. Oh. Look at this top one right
It really is. First, when we first started the video, the the watermelon was kind of lopsided, so it was hard for us to sit it up. We have to sit it up a certain way. But now, since we got the rubber bands on there, the shape of it is changing, and now it's more.
Looks so cool.
Alexa, Georgia said, "Can you be his girlfriend?"
I don't know that one.
Yes, you don't know.
She said she gotta think about it.
No, Alexa, do you think Jug has a girlfriend?
No, she wouldn't. She said she ain't talking to me.
Alexa, do you Jug has a girlfriend?
Girlfriend is usually defined as any female friend.
You have a female friend.
Yeah, a bunch of them.
You do?
Come on there.
Yes, it's a lie. Oh, guys.
Put some more on.
Stretch, 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 stretch.
It was an old man that drove past our house on a bike and just looked into my window.
Really?
Yeah.
Stretch, 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 stretch.
What about the ball?
But if it falls, it's going to explode.
Boo! Nosy cell.
Saw him. He probably gonna come back around. Oh.
Dude!
I thought you said you gonna walk outside. Dude, he went to see a watermelon explode. You don't know what.
He must be super nosy. I wish we had a dog. I'm gonna close the window.
They can still see through.
No, I can't.
How?
Look it up all in my house.
Like I saw a girl. She walked past by. It's a big hit.
Yo, boom.
I think half of it's gonna be like.
It takes out the camera. If you guys, if you didn't know, or sometimes during a video, if someone calls me Jug, that's just my nickname that I had since birth. So you can call me by my real name or my nickname. It doesn't matter.
2 hours.
We've been doing this for like 3 hours and a half.
3 hours and a half?
Yeah.
Dang.
Dedication.
3 hours and a half in Go Smith.
And also guys, we also are going to start doing post notification shout outs at the end of the video. So please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And comment below. And whoever comments, I'm going to pick them at random. And you will be part of my post notification shout out.
Oh, yes, and yeah, you rotate it. This part's gone.
See the it's starting to crack. It's starting to crack.
Oh my.
So guys, it's starting to crack at the top.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Oh no. I don't want to explode on me. It's getting even bigger. Ah! Oh! 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 It's giving up, guys. I think it stopped.
I think so.
Look at it. Space and blow.
Yeah, it's about to go.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, it smells good.
more stuff.
I don't know if y'all can see, but it's starting to crack.
How many rubber bands did it take? This thing was strong.
Yeah.
Striking more.
It's the water's just pouring out of it.
We thought it was going to explode.
It's like turning into like a big juicer.
You got some on me. It thrilled.
They sprayed you.
Yep. Oops.
What if I put a rubber band on top of it to close it up? It won't stay.
Good. What about to start over? Success, but it doesn't have to blow up, right? Oh no.
Oh, here we go. Yeah.
I'm so scared.
Hey, hit the ceiling. All right.
Oh my god.
Oh, guys, this is the aftermath.
Look at your bed. Look at
It went onto the ceiling.
Look at your bed.
Onto the bed.
It's everywhere.
Oh gosh.
I was super scared. I ran away.
Onto the floor.
Guys, this is show Kobe.
It's onto the camera. So guys, when it exploded, it went straight up to the air. I wasn't expecting it to explode like that. I thought it was gonna be like a slowly unpeel like it was doing, but it shot up and hit right directly onto the ceiling fan. I was surprised that all of my lights still work on it. And I'm glad that it didn't hit my brand new TV or any of the new lighting equipment that I just bought. But it shot straight up. We got like watermelon pieces on the roof.
I was screaming.
He took all of it, tried to run out the door.
No, I was ready to pour it. I was like,
Yeah. I didn't expect it to. I was like, boosh.
You said it's gonna explode.
But
Does it have
oh, that's good.
That's seasoning. It does.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. Peace out. See you next time.